So an open top rectangular box is a square base. So it's a square here, and then these are the sides that will fold up. It says rectangular, so the side flaps that fold together might be rectangular like this, but it's square when it's resting like on a table. Let's see. It tells us the volume. Okay, each side has a length of x centimeters and has a height. So this is x, and since it's a square, this is x, this is x. They're all x's, right? And has a height of y centimeters. So when you fold those dotted lines, this part is the height. That tells us how high it's standing off the table. Surface area. They want us to talk about the surface area. The surface area is all these two-dimensional areas added up, right? So this first two-dimensional area is nice and easy. It's a square. It's x times x. So our surface area equals, excuse me, the area of this part. And then let's start doing this rectangle. If it has y for a height, then this two-dimensional area is x times y. So we've got this one, we've got this one. Look, this one is also x times y. This one is x times y. This one is x times y. So there's 4 of those x times y's. So there we go. We've got an equation for the surface area. The problem is it's not a function of x. Okay? It's not a function of the side length x because it has a y in there. So to make it a function of x, that's why they give you a little extra information about the volume. The volume of this thing is the length times the width times the height, right? So x times x times y. The area of this two-dimensional base times the height. That's the volume of this thing. And we can plug in 108 in for v. Okay, so the reason why this second equation is going to help us is because we can solve for y in terms of x. And then we can replace our surface area equation with what x is supposed to be. So with what y is supposed to be. So divide x squared from both sides, and you'll get y equals 108 divided by x squared. So when you plug that into this equation, we've got 108 over x squared. And then when you simplify, 4 times 108, I think that's 432. And then we have x in the top and an x in the bottom that cancels out. So that's what it is when you simplify it. So that's this one over here.